Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to see how to work with vertical lookup and horizontal lookup. Before proceeding ahead, let me explain the given table. In the table we have mentioned item numbers, quantity, area, unit price and total price. What we are going to do is we are going to look up the value from the left column like an item and we are going to get the result from the right side of the column. So guys, there is only one rule in the view lookups or horizontal lookups is left to right. That means search the item from left column and get the result from right side of the column. So this is very simple rule you have to follow in the lookup. We can't select value from the right side of the column and get the result from left side of the column. So this is not allowed in the lookups. Now what is the difference between VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is just a vertical lookup and it searches a value or searches an item header from the top of the table. And in HLOOKUP, it searches a column headers from the left side or you can say vertical side of the table. So this is the only basic difference. And now we are going to see VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Before proceeding ahead guys, please do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the notification on time. Thank you very much. Let's start. So here guys, we have created already this table. Here employee names, quantity, item code, unit price and total price is mentioned. Now in this table we are going to get the data that which employee name or employee code sell the items with which unit price and what is the total revenue he has or she has generated. Here I am putting a simple formula which is a list. Data validation list is very simple. Just click on data validation, click on list, then select a source. Source will be the employee names and for that I will select this entire column. Go back to the source and click OK. Here you will see you have get all your employee names in this list. So it will be easy to select which employee code you like to select. Then main formula is in the unit price cell. Press equals to, write VLOOKUP, double click on the popped out formula, lookup value. Which lookup value you actually like to see in this unit price. Means while getting the information of the unit price from the entire table, which code, employee code, this formula should look for. So just click on employee code here, comma, table array. Now here is a hot tip guys. For table array, you always need to select a first row as a selection of employee code. You have to select this first row. You cannot select from the serial number because in the VLOOKUP and also in HLOOKUP, the selection criteria has to be in first column. So select from first column and the entire table. Even you guys don't need quantity, item code, then also you have to select the entire table. Press comma again, column index, that means from which column it has to pull the data. Like in a unit price is in fourth column, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I will put here value 4, comma. Here if you are searching for the approximate match, then you have to put true. Else if you are searching for the exact match, then you have to put false. So false, I will put a 0 and close the bracket and hit the enter button. Here nothing has happened because we haven't selected an employee code. Select employee code and you will get the unit price. Same formula we like to use for the total revenue. We will see again the same formula, equals to sign, VLOOKUP, double click on the lookup formula. In the first lookup value, it should look up for the employee code, comma, table array. From the first column, it has to be the entire table, column and then fifth value. Why fifth? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth column the total price or total revenue is there. So I will put a fifth column, then comma, again true or false. I am searching for the exact match, so it has to be false, then 0, comma complete, bracket complete, and hit the enter button, and you will get the exact code. Now you can see from the employee 1, unit price is $32,000 and this is $2,27,000. If you like to change the employee code and see for the another employee, here your values will change automatically. Whichever employee you will select, the values will change automatically. So this is a VLOOKUP formula. Now we will see horizontal lookup. In horizontal lookup, my same table data is in horizontal position. The header in the column and the data in the rows. So this way I need to select the data. Here the same table we have copied. We need to find out the employee code, unit price, and total revenue generated. For employee 1, the formula is same. Go to the data validation list and select the entire range from here. If I like to show you guys, just click on the data validation, clear all, take a list, source, you need to select the entire employee range, click OK, and here you will have your all employees. Now I have selected employee 1. Here unit price, and you need to write your formula HLOOKUP. Double click on the popped out formula, lookup value the same way, employee code we are looking for, comma, table array. Here your table array has to be your employee code in the first row. So please select from this table only, do not select from serial number. So this is 1, comma, row, which row you like to get the data from, unit price. So 1, 2, 3, and from the 4th row, so click 4th, comma, yes, I need to have the exact match, so false, comma, bracket completed, enter, and you have the data. Repeat for the total revenue, HLOOKUP, double click on the formula, lookup value, comma, select the table array, comma, put the which row you like to show in the total revenue, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th row. So this is a 5th, comma, for exact match you need to put 0, bracket complete, and hit the enter button. So this way horizontal lookup formula works.